no tomorrow.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 44 of our 365-day daily devotional. So this is the Jesus Calling by Sarah Young. Absolutely fantastic. I'm like addicted to this devotional. I literally can't wait till the next day because I just want to see what the Lord is going to say, or like how he's going to use it and put it in my life, because every single day it matches something that's going on. I promise you would be, it's almost eerie. It is. Anyways, if you have missed any of the episodes previous to this one, I will have those linked in the description box. And if you're wondering why I'm doing a daily devotional instead of my DIYs, you missed a bunch. So I'll have some other videos linked in the description box to get you caught back up to date. All right, guys, let's jump in. All right, number 44. Let me give you guys the verses. Check these out. Got some good verses today. The second one and the last one are some of my favorite verses. So if y'all want to take a screenshot maybe, or jot these down real quick, but just have them where you've got them throughout your day. Okay. Number 44. Peace be with you. Ever since the resurrection, this has been my watchword to those who yearn for me. As you sit quietly, let my peace settle over you and unfold you in my loving presence. To provide this radiant peace for you, I died a criminal's death. Receive my peace abundantly and thankfully. It is a rare treasure, dazzling in delicate beauty, yet strong enough to withstand all onslaughts. Wear my peace with regal dignity. It will keep your heart and mind close to mine. Very good. Receive my peace abundantly and thankfully. Very good. Okay, the verses. On the evening of the first day of the week, when the disciples were together with the doors locked for fear of the Jews, Jesus came and stood among them and said, "Peace be with you." Again, Jesus said, "Peace be with you. As the Father has sent me, I am sending you." John 20, 19, and 21. Very good. Okay. Peace I leave with you. My peace I give you. I do not give to you as the world gives. Do not let your hearts be troubled, and do not be afraid. John 14, 27. Peace I leave with you, my peace I give you. I do not give as the world gives. Do not let your hearts be troubled, and do not be afraid. Man, is that not a good verse now? Oh, so good. It's the verses like that that should bring you comfort, that should bring you peace. The knowledge, the knowing that God is all surpassing. He's everything. I mean, literally, your life is nothing without God. If you don't have him in your life and you don't have that to stand on, you probably should be afraid. Yeah. Okay. I don't want to preach today. Let's do the last verse. Okay. And the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus. Philippians 4:7. Will guard your hearts and your mind. I've said it 100 times since we started this devotional, but I just feel like it needs to be said again today for some reason. But, if you're struggling and you don't understand why, and you've tried everything and nothing seems to be working, and you just, you kind of give up, give it to God. See what God can do with it. You apparently can't do nothing with it. Hello. Give it to God. I promise you, if with your whole heart, you give your troubles and your problems to God, He can change things and do things in your life that just are unimaginable. Literally change the outcome of a situation. God can do that. But you got to trust Him. Sorry, the dogs. Anyways, they kind of went wild there for a minute. But what I was saying was, you've got to trust God with your whole heart, and you've got to honestly believe that God is going to help you. You've got to believe that. That's where that peace and comfort comes from, is in the knowing. Not, I'm going to give this to God and maybe He'll do something with it. I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen, but, we'll see. I'm still kind of worried about it. No. When you give something to God with your whole heart, you give it to Him and leave it there. And know, don't think, don't maybe, don't worry. Know in your mind and your heart that God is going to take care of you, and He is going to do what is best for you. Know that. Stand on that every day. Every day. I think there's a helicopter now. Maybe that's what the dogs were barking at. Anyways, y'all, if you guys have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being with me today, and y'all have a blessed day.